Hello everyone and welcome to this Typeform versus Jotform comparison. Which is best? The debate between Typeform and Jotform isn't just about which form looks better. It's about whether you need a high-converting conversation or a high-powered data engine. While Typeform has leaned heavily into AI engagement and interactive video, Jotform has transformed into an AI-driven ecosystem with apps, tables, and automated workflows. In this comparison, we're breaking down the updates for both platforms, comparing the new AI capabilities, pricing tiers, and specific use cases to see which one deserves your subscription. Choosing the right one now will save you from a massive data migration headache later. So let's start with the user experience, the conversational versus the functional. The core difference remain the one question at a time philosophy. Typeform is the pioneer of the conversational UI. When you enter the Typeform builder, you are working in a sleek, minimalist environment. The focus is on the flow. Every question is a slide, and the goal is to reduce cognitive load. This is why Typeform consistently sees higher completion rates for surveys and lead magnets. Jotform, on the other hand, offers the Jotform builder, which gives you two distinct choices: the classic forms, all questions in one page, and the card forms, the conversational style. While Jotform's card style mimics Typeform, the back end remains much more traditional. When you open the Jotform settings, you are met with a dense, feature-rich menu that allows for pixel-perfect customization. If Typeform is a sleek smartphone, Jotform is a high-end desktop computer. It can do more, but it takes a moment longer to learn the layout. Features and integrations. Now, both platforms have launched massive updates this year. Typeform recently launched its AI engagement platform. In the Create tab, you can now use a chat-based prompt to build entire forms. But the real game changer is FAQ with AI. You can now embed an AI assistant directly into your form that answers respondents' questions in real time using your own company data. This transforms a static form into a live support tool. Jotform has responded with Jotform AI agents. In the Tools menu, you find the AI Workflow Generator and AI App Builder. Jotform is no longer just a form builder, it's a no-code platform. You can use Jotform tables to manage data like a database, similar to Airtable, and Jotform Sign to collect legal binding e-signatures. While Typeform is better at collecting data, Jotform is significantly more powerful at managing it once it's submitted. Typeform wins in aesthetic experience, while Jotform wins on pure utility. Many of these new AI features are locked behind specific tiers, and that's why we'll be looking at the pricing to see which version fits your budget. Now I'd like to move over to the mobile and offline flexibility. Currently, the where and how you collect data is changing. If your team is in the field, think construction site, trade shows, or door-to-door research, Jotform takes a massive lead with its offline capability. The Jotform mobile app allows you to collect submissions without an internet connection, syncing them the moment you're back on Wi-Fi. It's a true operational workhorse. Typeform, meanwhile, doubles down on the mobile respondent experience. Their forms don't just work on phones. They feel like a premium app. With the current updates to video and audio blocks, your mobile users can now respond to questions by recording a quick video or voice note directly in the form. It's less about data entry and more about digital storytelling. If you want deep qualitative feedback from people on the go, Typeform's multimodal tech is unbeatable. And now to the great divide, the pricing and limits. Now, this is where the decision usually becomes easy for most businesses. Typeform's pricing has become increasingly premium in recent times. In summary, you have the free plan with only 10 responses per month, the basic at $29 per month for 100 responses, and the growth, which starts at $199 per month, which is where you unlock the reCAPTCHA and advanced lead enrichment. While Jotform offers more generous limits for the price. The starter has 5 forms and 100 monthly submissions. the bronze at $34 per month for 1,000 submissions, and the gold at $99 per month for 10,000 submissions and HIPAA compliance. So if you're a high-volume business, Jotform is almost always the more economical choice. Typeform is a luxury tool for those who prioritize the brand feel and are willing to pay a premium for every lead captured. And now to the advanced logic and automation. If you need complex math, skip logic, or multi-path workflows, look at the Logic tab in both. Logic is visual and easy to map out, but it can get messy if you have over 50 branches, while Jotform's logic is more robust. Under the Settings Conditions menu, you can create complex calculations, perfect for other forms or quote calculators. If you need to sync data to a very specific CRM or a legacy database, Jotform's API and widget library will likely have the solution. And then let's talk about the security and enterprise wall. When we talk about brains, we have to talk about security. If you are in healthcare, legal, or government, Jotform is often the only viable choice. They offer HIPAA compliance and SOC 2 Type 2 security on their Gold and Enterprise plans, along with the ability to host data on local servers. They've recently added Jotform Sign, which is a full-blown DocuSign competitor, allowing you to turn form data into legally binding e-signed PDFs instantly. Typeform has significantly beefed up its security as well, moving into the enterprise space with single sign-on and advanced data encryption. However, Typeform's focus remains on lead enrichment. Their new contact enrichment feature automatically pools third-party data like company size or industry the moment a lead enters their email. This means that you can keep your forms short, increasing conversion, while still getting a full profile of the person behind the screen. To put a cap in this comparison showdown, the best platform depends entirely on your end goal. Typeform is for marketers and brand managers. It's the best choice for lead generation, customer feedback, and brand-heavy quizzes where completion rate is the #1 metric. Jotform is for operations and HR managers. It's the best choice for internal workflows, complex order forms, HIPAA-compliant medical intake, and anyone who needs a Swiss Army knife of data collection. So if you want to impress your customers and have a higher budget, go with Typeform. The new AI FAQ feature alone is worth the price of admission for customer service teams. However, if you're a small business on a budget or a large organization that needs complex data management, Jotform is the clear winner for its versatility and higher submission limits. We hope you found this helpful and it helps you in making your decision on which platform is best for you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.